See the machine there? 07 Yamaha R1. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy enjoying this beautiful bike for the past few months. And this is going to be an update video showing all the mods and upgrades that I did to the bike. Installed the Dominator decal white pipe. It's much lighter than the stock cat. Then we got the Termi titanium carbon fiber exhaust. Remove the stickers because I wanted to maintain that stealthy look. The bike is flash tuned, and I've been doing little mods here and there, like removing the EXUP system, cut the EXUP flange because I wanted to make the headers free flowing, remove the O2 sensor, and I'm messing with the flash tune software, trying to perfect the tune. It's a work in progress, but how she sits right now, she's pulling really hard. We got a jet black windscreen, some aftermarket levers. I wrapped the 333 yoke into some 5D high gloss vinyl carbon fiber wrap. I think this is one of the cheapest mod you could ever do to your bike for under $5. I'm gonna remove those tank grips before I finish the video. They're garbage, they keep falling off. I'm gonna start up the bike, let you hear how she idle. I'm not gonna rev it up at this location because they have an event going on behind me. So as soon as the bike warm up, I'm gonna just ride to the next spot and then I'll rev it up. You guys be safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next bit. Peace.